Hello students, in the last class we defined definition of topology. So I'll just recall that one. Topology definition. Let X be any non-empty set. So non-empty, specifically it is non-empty means it should not be empty. Okay, empty set is where we can't do anything with that. Okay, so therefore non-empty set. Tau is family of subsets. Family of subsets of X. Then tau is said to be topology on X. When it is said to be topology on X, when it satisfies the following four conditions. Okay, what are those conditions? Null set belongs to tau. So in the collection, okay, ಒಂದು X ಇದೆ. So ಅದರದ್ದು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ T or tau. So in the question paper many times they have mentioned as a T. Okay, T or tau, both are valid. Okay, so T or tau is a collection of subsets of X. Okay, these are all subsets of X. Now that collection is said to be form a topology on X when it satisfies the following four conditions. First condition is null set, that is phi belongs to tau. Second one is X belongs to tau. Third one is union of members of tau. Union of members of tau is again member of tau. Okay, if you take collection of this, you means union of this means either union of two members or many members, however it may be. Every union what you take, the answer must be the union of any subsets of the any members of the tau is again a member of tau. And similarly every finite intersection of members of tau is again a member of tau. This we have discussed in the last class. Okay, I have given one example also in this. Okay, so next, here one more thing you have to consider here. Here one word, extra word for the intersection is, that is finite intersection. Not only intersection, every finite intersection they are telling, that carries a very important role that you will come to know afterwards. There is a theorem on this also, why it is strictly finite only. Andre illi arbitrary anta tolak baralla. So any numbers of intersection you can't take, only finite intersection you need to take. So that is also a major part here. Okay, that we will study afterwards. So now we will take one more example, so you will understand better. Example 2. Let X is equal to A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is a given non-empty set. And tau is equal to, tau I write here, tau is equal to X phi A C D ACD BCD. Okay, so these are the collection of subsets of X. These are the collection of subsets of X. Then show that tau forms topology on X. So you need to put this one. So first thing, X is what? It's a 5 element set, that is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, tau is contains X phi A C D A C D B C D. Now we will go on proving four conditions. The first one is property 1 or condition 1. phi belongs to tau. Is there phi in the tau? Yes. So first P1 holds. Next P2 is what? X belongs to tau. X is there in tau. So P2 holds. Next is every union of members of tau is again a member of tau. Means if you do union among any members of tau, you should get answer as a member of tau only. So that's a simple thing. Just we have to check. So here now union of members of tau. Union of members of tau. So that is X union phi is what? X only. X union A. So I am doing like this with this union like this. Okay. So every union you need to check. For our reference we will go one by one. So this is X only. So like the X is again member of tau. Is it not? Okay. So like that if you do union of any subsets with X, you will get answer is X only. Okay, no need to check here. Okay, and so on. You will get again X only, that is member of tau. Second one with this. So phi union A. So phi union A is A only. So A is again a member of tau. So phi union CD is what? CD. It's again a member of tau. Like that if you do a union with phi, union of any set with phi, you will get the same set only. And that set belongs to tau. No need to check here also. Okay. Next, I take A. A union CD is what? ACD. ACD is there? Yes. ACD. So that belongs to tau. Okay. Next, A union ACD. A union ACD is what? It is ACD only. ACD belongs to tau. Okay. Next, A union BCDE. What? It is ABCDE. So ABCD is nothing but what? It is X. So X belongs to tau. Okay. So if you do this union this, you will get the whole X only. So that belongs to tau. Like that, you have to take union of remaining. That is, I'll explain orally. CD union ACD is what? ACD only. That is there. CD union BCD is what? BCD, which is there. ACD union BCD is what? ABCD. That is nothing but X. That is also there in tau. So therefore, union of any members of tau is again a member of tau. Therefore, union of every union, I'll write. Therefore, every union of members of tau is again member of tau. So therefore P3 holds. Next we will come to P4. P4 is what? Every finite intersection. Finite intersection. Here we no need to worry of finite here, because since the elements are finite in the X and elements are finite in the tau, so you will get finite only. When you are dealing with the infinite sets, we will particularly consider this one, finite intersection. Okay. So now first thing, X intersection phi is phi. Next what? X intersection A is A only. So which is again a member of tau. Okay. So like that, X intersection any member of tau. Okay. You will get a member of tau only. Okay. Next, 5 intersection. If you do 5 intersection some subset, you will get 5 only. Okay, intersection ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is null set, so intersection means you get a null set only. So 5 intersection CD is 5 only. So again it's a member of tau. Like that you can prove with the 5. Next we will come to CD. So that is CD intersection ACD is what? CD, which is there in the tau. Okay. Next, CD intersection BCD. BCD is what? CD only, which is there in tau. Now, CD intersection ACD is over now. Now ACD intersection BCD is what? CD, which is a member of tau. Okay. And A intersection CD is what? 5, which is in the tau. Now A intersection ACD is A, which is there in tau. A intersection BCD is what? 5. There is no common term, so that is also a member of tau. Therefore every finite intersection of members of tau is again member of tau. Therefore you can say tau forms topology on X. So therefore X tau is topological, hence X tau is topological space. Okay, this is one example on topology. Okay, next we will move on to the third example. So example 3. Let AX is equal to ABC and tau is equal to AB BC ABC and 5. Okay, be the collection of